What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now in today's video, as you see, hi, I'm in a giant velvet trap. And yes, today I am announcing a brand new lipstick formula for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. We're gonna dive into the mystery boxes for Halloween season. And sadly, I am retiring the lip ammunition formula. But good news is Velvet Trap is the new replacement and you guys are going to gag for this new formula. Now, rest in peace to the lip ammunition. She has been faithful and amazing for years now. And if you guys have ever tried this formula, it was great, it was beautiful, it was a satin with also a glitter formula. The packaging was really cute. This is when Jeffree Star Cosmetics was first starting out, and long story short, I was gonna really launch this product before the velour liquid lips, but fate had a different plan for me and the velour liquid lipsticks took off insanely, and this was on the back burner. So when this came out, it was really supposed to be the very first launch, but it's time to say goodbye. This formula and packaging are all going in the retirement center. So let's talk about the new formula. Okay, now I know there are a million lipstick formulas on the market, but bitch, they're not Jeffree Star. And Velvet Trap is a one swipe, really velvety, luxurious, highly pigmented formula that is beautiful. It gives you a stunning veil of color on the lips. The packaging has been highly upgraded and you guys are about to see everything swatched. Now, I am launching 20 shades to start. You guys know I like to go big or go home. And I am really excited about this because we all know lip ammo, she was cute, but this formula, we needed a new vibe. And before we get into the spooky season, I wanted to really give you guys a new experience. So, welcome to Velvet Trap. Okay, so you guys can see the packaging is way different than the lip ammos. Velvet Trap is in a unique packaging where it's all, of course, baby pink. We have the logos, and of course we have the Bear Trap logo. And this box does not, you don't get the lipstick out from the top, but that's where the shade name is. You actually just easily pull it right off. I wanted this to be really luxurious and something a little more different and something that Jeffree Star Cosmetics has not seen before. So once you pull it off, the lipstick is of course inside this beautiful all monogrammed box. And woo, bam! Here she is, yes! Now let's compare it to the previous bullet. All right, now of course with the old bullet you had just nice plastic. It wasn't cheap, but it wasn't the best. So when I repackaged everything, I wanted it to look way more expensive and just, you know, a whole new vibe. So the new Velvet Trap bullet, it's way heavier. This one was cute, but bitch, this one is weighty. She's heavy weighted. And when you pull it off, it does have a magnet, so it is a lot heavier. It snaps right into place. Of course, the shade names, just like every other lipstick on the planet, is on the bottom. And we have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics wording in ghost writing on the matte part of the bullet. Now with the lip ammo, you had a silk screen printing on the actual plastic, where this one, we custom did every part of it, and you can actually feel the logo. It's embedded in the material. So let's open her up, because this may be a wild color, but when you open her up, we have, of course, the full Jeffree Star Cosmetics monogram logo on the velvet. And if you look really close, you guys can see the really cool texture of the lipstick. All right, we'll show off some shades so you can see the monogram print, but I love it. It came out so perfect. It just looks like beautiful velvet, like the fabric on the background, on my clothes. It just looks really different than a regular lipstick bullet. Okay, before we swatch everything, I wanna take you guys behind the scenes on set with the Velvet Trap shoot. We had so much fun. Our set designers, Keith, you and your team really killed it. I cannot believe everything I had in my brain, it really came to life. So you guys are about to see Velvet Cheese, a whole different other mousetrap set. We had all the models in these amazing velvet boxes, and Marcelo, our amazing photographer, he really went beyond, and the whole team killed it, from hair to makeup to stylist. I'm just so proud of our team. Velvet Trap, of course, when I saw the texture of the lipstick in the lab, I was like, wow. I've done velour everything. Velour, of course, means velvet-ish, but I really just wanted something fun. And of course, we all know our mouth is called our trap. I've been told to shut my trap my entire life. So Velvet Trap it was. So we had such an incredible day on set. Everyone in the models killed it. Thank you guys so much. So come take a peek. Oh my God, just rewatching that is so fun. I love shooting and I love creating these campaigns. But okay, let's dive in and swatch all 20 velvet traps. All right, now for the first 20 shades, I wanted to create a variety from the perfect red all the way to the mattest, darkest black lipstick on the planet. So there is an array of shades. We've got nudes, we've got some crazy colors, we've got some fun colors, and some very safe colors if you're not keen into wearing blue or green lipstick. So I'm gonna swatch all the shades right here. I'm also gonna throw up lip swatches that my model, Miss Beautiful Jasmina, did, and let's get to it. Let's start with the one that's on my mouth. I of course have a lip liner on, which is Christmas Cookie from the Velour lip liner line, but the lip in the center is Funeral Parlour Velvet Trap. Now this shade, oh my God, of course you see it on my lips, but it is a beautiful, really pale nude pink. Now when putting on the lipstick, of course you don't want to have it fully up, you want to put it half down, and you really only need one swipe, and there she rolls. It is so creamy, you just swipe it literally once. I know the first one was 3, don't clock me. Oh, I'm so hungry just smelling this. It just goes on really beautifully. It's so creamy and I am so proud of this formula. The next shade is called Naked Body and she looks something like this. It is such a beautiful warm tone brown. Oh my God, I love her. What do you guys think? All right, now just like the matching liquid lipstick and liner, we have shade Dominatrix. Oh, she looks so pretty in the Velvet Trap formula. You guys, most of you know what this shade looks like, but it is a beautiful deep chocolate brown. All right, now if you love red lipstick, this shade is called the Perfect Red. And literally, it is such a beautiful red. This goes good on every single person on the planet. If you're afraid of red lipstick, can't relate, you have to try this. Let's show off this color. Oh my God, she is so stunning. Next up, we have shade Diet Mannequin. Now, Mannequin is my favorite nude from my brand that I have ever created for myself. This is the diet version where it is a little bit lighter, and I wanted to try to make a different tone, and here, we'll just swatch this over here. It is so pretty. It is more on the lighter side, so if you're afraid of that, put on a little darker lip liner and do an ombre. All right, the next shade is called Chocolate Fondue. Woo! This shade is so beautiful. I know, I'll probably say that about every shade, but I love how this one came out. It is so stunning. Okay, now one of my favorite shades because it is bright as f. It is called Hot Commodity. Woo! It is so beautiful. Now this is very bright. We'll put it right next to the Perfect Red. Good morning. How are ya? Okay, now Celebrity Skin has been one of my top selling nudes for years, so of course we had to make one in this formula. It is so many people's favorite lipstick color, so thank you guys for all the love on the shade. And Celebrity Skin, of course, had to be in the Velvet Trap formula. If you don't know what the shade looks like, it is a more cool toned brown, beige, grayish color, and it is stunning. Now the next shade is a beautiful pastel coral. It's called Honey Suck Me. And she is absolutely beautiful. This is such a fun shade to wear, and I've been ombreing it with watermelon soda, and it looks sickening. All right, the next shade is Firestarter, a stunning hot red orange, a very orange-based red, and I love it. It's giving me really just, oof. It's just giving me all the good feelings. Now, let's get a little weird. This is shade Jawbreaker, of course, from the infamous Jawbreaker liquid lip and palette. I love this shade. If you're scared of wearing color, can't relate, but step outside your comfort zone, have a little fun. This blue is so beautiful. The next shade is called Malibu Beach House. It is a really pretty lavender. It is so cute. I love this shade, and bam, that's how she looks. Now, of course, so many people's favorite shade, Unicorn Blood. It is in every formula, of course, on Jeffree Star Cosmetics website, and now we have it in Velvet Trap. It is such a beautiful burgundy deep red. All right, now let's dive into another really beautiful nude. This is called Nudist Colony. It is a cool toned pinky nude, and I am obsessed with her. It is like Celebrity Skin's older sister. Okay, let's dive into the last 5. Some of my favorites, they are really dark and deadly, and this shade is called Pure Hell. It is a, of course, pitch black matte velvet trap lipstick, and listen, it is beautiful. Woo! Hello, how are ya? All right, the next shade is called So Jaded. It is a beautiful, really dark army green. I love this tone. I really haven't made a lipstick like this before, and I love that green tone. Woo! Okay, now we have Medieval Kiss. This is such a unique shade. When you look at it, it almost looks like a black brown, but when you swatch it, it really comes to life, and it's like a really cool, just amazing dark black purple. I'm obsessed with her. All right, now we have shade Unphazed. It's giving you very stoner vibes, and this is like a really cool, just different, weird as green, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart. All right, now last but not least, here is a amazing cool toned gray. It is called Drill Sergeant. And that is all 20 shades of the Velvet Trap formula. Oh my God. So let's get into the details. All right, so here are all 20 shades. Now, everything will be launching on October 16th, yes, this Friday. And of course, just like all of our lip products, these will be retailing for $18 individually. Now, I'm also selling a Velvet Trap, of course, lipstick holder like this. It comes in a 2-pack and it will be retailing for $25. There will be a bunch of these in different colors coming out in the future, but we wanted to make one for all the collectors out there and people that like to put them on their vanities. But I love it. I think it came out amazing. And when all of them are in here, oh my God, does she feel heavy? I am so excited to see everyone create looks with these and play with the formula. Okay, now guys, I know the whole world has been asking about Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery boxes. Let's talk about it. Okay, so here we are, Halloween is approaching, and I gotta be honest, I think I set the tone for mystery boxes in the cosmetics industry. We have had such a massive success with them over the last few years, and it's been really crazy. We've had some trials and tribulations, and we have some amazing, massive moments with these, so just thank you guys for always supporting them. They are so fun to do. So, I know that times are tough, I know that times are rough, and we have had a really crazy year, so I wanted to make these boxes really special, affordable, and full of amazing shit. So, let's dive into the mini mystery box. This is only $25. There will be 3 items in here, and all of these are gonna launch with the Velvet Trap lipsticks, of course, on October 16th. Both! All the boxes and the new lipstick products will be available that day. So saddle up, Miss Mama! All right, now we have the premium mystery box. There are 5 items in here, and there is 1 exclusive JSC item that we made just for this box. Now, of course, the mini is $25. This one is $60, and you are getting a 50% discount savings. Now, I know a lot of you, this is your favorite one. This is the Deluxe Mystery Box for Halloween, and for $100 you are getting 8 items, and 2 of them are exclusive that we have never made before that are in here. So there is a lot of savings. For this one, you guys are getting 55% discount of all the items that are in here if they were normal priced. So here are all 3, the mini, the premium, and of course the deluxe. Woo! All right, you guys, there are the new mystery boxes and the Velvet Trap formula. Now, if you guys are waiting for the next massive Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection, that will be, of course, in November to really celebrate the holidays the JSC way. But of course, this launch is this Friday, October 16th. So don't be late. Everything will be on the website, of course, and I can't wait for you guys to see everything. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.